Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to my channel. Listen to the video and subscribe. Today my topic is the rights of children. I'm going to tell you the basic rights of children. There are 6 rights which every parents should fulfill for their children. First of all, whenever Allah is giving children, parents should be thankful towards Allah because Allah is not giving children to everyone. So, if those parents to whom Allah is giving, first thing is thankful towards Allah. Secondly, whenever the newborn, whether the boy or girl is there, the first thing is to perform akika, which is a sunnah of the Holy Prophet ﷺ, and secondly, give them Islamic names. Number 3 point is it is the duty of parents to bring up their children in the best manner, guide them and give them a good education. Holy Prophet ﷺ said, of all the things a father gives his children, a good education and training is the best. Parents should look after their children, bond them with love and tenderness, and not be over strict or harsh, nor over indulgent. Parents should discuss each and every problem with their children in a polite way, should love them, give them respect. Even Holy Prophet said that give your children respect. For the training and guidance of children, the Holy Prophet said, command your children to offer prayer when they reach the age of 7 and beat them if they do not offer them when they reach the age of 10. It means that parents are allowed to be strict in matter of religion, behavior and conduct. At the same time, they should bond them with love and tenderness and not be overly strict or harsh, not over indulgent, as both these later approaches will spoil them. If they commit any mistake, explain them gently and softly rather than screaming and shouting at them. Next point is never discriminate among children. Lavishing all your love to one child and excluding the others or giving less attention to them, the neglected child will feel deprived and lose his self-confidence. If a gift is given to one child, then a similar should be given to the others as well. A hadith of Holy Prophet ﷺ says, if you give something to one child, then give the same to all the others too, as injustice is wrong. In pre-Islamic days, Arabs used to take pride of having sons and thought that daughters were a cause of disgrace and insult, used to bury them alive. Islam banned this barbaric custom and declared daughters to be a blessing of Allah. Islam is the only religion which gives standard and respect to daughters as they are the source towards heaven for parents. Allah the Almighty clearly says that daughters are the blessing of Allah. Our Prophet ﷺ said, any man who trains, educates and treats his 1 or 3 daughters or 1 or 3 sisters, Allah the Almighty has declared paradise obligatory for him. This is a great reward for those who are having daughters. The Holy Prophet ﷺ said, a Muslim who nurtures his daughter well, gives her good education and brings her up well will be saved from the fire of hell. So should look after children in a best manner, give them time, should give them good education, shelter, food, each and everything, because these children are sadqa jariyah for us. If we will fulfill our duties as a parent, inshallah we will get result in this world and the hereafter. So these children are sadqa jariyah for us. So we should fulfill the rights of children. Thank you.